Hi, I'm Steve from Oakie & Son Electrical Services. In today's video I'm going to be moving a fuse box from up high close to the ceiling. I'm going to be moving it down so it's more easily accessible. So we'll turn the camera around and show you what we're going to do. So here we have the fuse box at the moment. It's right up close to the ceiling. Let me move it back a little bit. So we're going to be putting a big adaptable box at the top there, extending all the cables, bringing a trunking down, fitting a new fuse box there. I've already drilled the holes ready. I've got to go on down with some trunking and go through the wall to the meter box to renew all the meter tails. And there's our new consumer unit. So let's get camera set up and get started. So that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you live in the forestofdean area and you need an electrician, then call Steve on 01594 723 062.